Our next task is to write this function, rejoin, that takes in a list containing a number of individual characters and returns the string that we get if we join all these together. The technical word is concatenate. The function is called rejoin. It takes in a list of characters, we'll call this characters, and it returns a string. We'll call this word and start it out empty, that is, a string with no characters in it yet. Then we go one by one through the characters in the string we call characters, taking each character we find and adding it to the end of the word we're building up. Finally, we return the word that we built. Let's test it by passing rejoin this list of characters and seeing that the answer comes back CAT as we would expect. We save the program, run it, and things work out just as we want. Our next job is to write a function called scramble. Scramble takes a word, like cat, mixes the letters up into a random order, and returns it. The function is called scramble. It takes in a word, and we'd like to take the letters in the word and mix them up. We're going to use the random.shuffle function, but random.shuffle will not work on a string, for reasons we'll discuss later. Instead, we'll have to turn the string into a list of characters, mix that up into a random order, and use rejoin to put it back together. We'll let the name mixed refer to what we get when we take the word and break it up into a list of separate letters. If we pass in the string cat, mixed will now be a list containing C and separately A and then T. Random shuffle does work correctly on a list. So this instruction takes the list of letters and puts them in a random order. Now we'd like to take those letters, put them back together into just one string, and return it. We'll use our rejoin function, pass it the list of characters, rejoin will put them together, and then scramble will return the result. Let's try this out. We should see the letters in the word cat in a random order. But we've made a mistake. Here we've used random, but we forgot to import it. Let's go back to the beginning, import the random module, and try again. Here are the letters of the word cat in a random order. Everything is now working correctly, and we're ready to tackle the main task of the word scramble puzzle program.